Yeah, what's the last few days been like?
Yeah, it's been pretty difficult, as you can imagine. We had a very disappointing result last Friday against the Lions. So, it's been a difficult couple of games, couple of days, looking back over the game and reviewing a lot of things. And it's been some harsh words said. And we're looking forward to hopefully putting a few things right this week.
Did it surprise the players? What happened?
Sorry?
Did it surprise the players? What happened?
We spoke about them a lot in the week. How tough they'd be. I've personally played against Georgia a couple of times in the World Cup, and they're a very physical team. Very high emotional team as well. So we did expect that challenge, but unfortunately we didn't really front up to it, and they came out on top.
You all as captain, what role have you had in the last few days, sort of lifting the players and speaking about it?
Yeah, it's we got a lot of senior players in the squad, so we've had a lot to say. The coaches have been great, and we've taken a lot of things on board, and I think a lot of the senior players have spoken well as well. We got a couple of boys hopefully coming back into the mix in the next couple of weeks back from injury, so that's obviously going to boost us. So hopefully that'll give us a bit of confidence.
You've probably taken quite a lot of flack externally. How do you deal with that, and the supporters, what they expect of the Scarlets?
Yeah, it's tough to take, but we fully understand it, and it's all in our hands now. We've got to work hard this week, and I know it's a bit of a cliche, but hopefully we're going to put things right this week.
And in terms of the coaching staff, how have they been sort of trying to lift the players, and what's their message been? Has it been sort of not shouting but sort of cajoling? How they get dealt with
it? Obviously, like I said, there's been some harsh words said this week, and we as players know that we were nowhere near where we needed to be last week. We didn't turn up in any aspect of the game. We lost every battle and didn't want it enough. So that was pretty harsh to take. Looking back over that. But like I said, it's a new week. It's a derby week. It's the biggest game of the season for us. Like I said, hopefully we can train well this week and go out there in the weekend and hopefully show what we can really do.
It's the perfect game.
I think so, yeah. A lot of people would probably think, it's the worst thing they want now is to play against the Ospreys. But I think after the week we've had, reviewing the last couple of weeks, hopefully we'll be up for it.
And what happened in Swansea, you want to put that right as well, when you early in the season?
Yeah, obviously that didn't go too well either. Tough conditions to play, and similar to last weekend, really, we didn't really turn up, didn't manage a game well enough, and set piece struggled a bit. But I think we've done a lot of work this week, and hopefully we can take them up, take that challenge on.
Christmas like as a Welsh rugby player? I know you got a game on Boxing Day. You're more than used to it now. What's it like?
Like I said, we're used to it. We have the Boxing Day fixture nearly every year. Every year, obviously. I think the only Christmas off I had was during COVID, and that was quite nice, to be honest. But not, it's a massive fixture, and we're really looking forward to the game next week.
You've got a lot of youngsters playing on Friday. When you get those sort of players like Sam Lavsey, Josh McLeod, Sam Costello possibly coming back into the mix, how much of a difference they're going to make to have that experience of certainly Sam Lavsey and Josh McLeod when they come back? Yeah,
they're massive players, and they lead well as well. Especially Josh, and Lavsey's just, he's been around for a while, and he's been one of our best players the last couple of years. So to have those sort of boys coming back into training this week and hopefully next week, it's a massive confidence boost for the rest of us players.
And what have you made of the Ospreys this season?
Yeah, I think they've been very good. Very good pack, well drilled, line out, set piece, scrum. It's going to be a tough challenge for us. But like I said, our forwards are really working hard this week. We've got a tough training day today, and we'll recover tomorrow and come back in Friday. And hopefully we can. Hopefully our boys will be ready to take that pack on Boxing Day.
And kind of when we come at the end of the year, how would you assess your year from where you were at the beginning, come back into the setup, World Cup, leading the Scarlets, from where you were 12 months ago to now? How would you sort of sum up the year and where you are at the moment going forward?
12 months ago. I think where it was 12 months ago. Yeah, it's been obviously enjoyed the summer, preparing for the World Cup. And really enjoyed my time in France at the World Cup, and then I've loved being back here. Obviously, some results have been really tough to take, but I'm really enjoying the coaching staff here and the boys. It's a good place to be. So hopefully we can get a few results under our belt, and we can kick on in the new year.
Mae'n siŵr bod yn anodd iawn ar ôl nos Wener, ond siwr mateb o'r captain sy'n corff y chwaraewyr.
Ie, mae wedi bod yn cwbl o dyddiau anodd iawn ar ôl y gêm nos Wener. Yn anffodus, o'n i ddim yn ddigon da nos Wener yn erbyn y Lions, a i fod yn deg yn nhw. O'n nhw'n tîm anodd iawn i war yn erbyn, ond fi'n credu os byddwn ni gael y cyfle i war yn nhw unwaith eto wrthos yma, fi'n credu byddwn ni lot yn well, ond yn anffodus mae'r gêm na wedi mynd nawr a ni'n edrych mlaen i'r Ospreys.
Falle gêm perffaith ar ôl cangen mor siomedig i droed yr rhyw.
So fe'n dod yn... byddwn ni ffili gael gêm yn fwy bwysig i fod yn onest. Ar ôl y colled na nos Wener, bydde lot o pobl yn meddwl o peth beth bydd y Scarlets mae'n neud nawr i wario yn erbyn yr Ospreys, ond fi'n credu mae'n gêm iawn, mae'n gêm challenge iawn i ni. Fi'n credu ni wedi cael cwbl o dyddiau anodd yn ymarfer wrthos yma, yn edrych nôl dros y gêm na nos Wener, a ni wedi dysgu lot, a fi'n credu mae rhywbeth bach wedi newid wrthos yma, mae bach fwy o spark yn training, mae'r emosiwn yn iawn. So ni'n edrych mlaen i'r gwylch.
Ti bod dy'r Scarlets trwy gyrfa i gyd, ti'n gwybod yn iawn trwy bod cefnogwyr yn teimlo yn y cyfnod anodd hyn. Ti'n teimlo rhywun rhwystredigaeth a nhw?
Mewn ffordd, ni'n deall yn iawn y ffordd maen nhw'n teimlo, a mae'n lan i ni nawr, fel wedi se, o'n i ddim yn digon da yn erbyn y Lions nos Wener, a mae'n simple, really. Mae'r fath na perfformiad ffili digwydd eto, so ni wedi cael cwbl o dyddiau anodd yn edrych nôl dros y gêm a dysgu, a ni wedi dechrau paratoi erbyn y gweilch, a ni wedi dechrau ymarfer wrthos yma yn dda iawn.
A bydd torfawr yma yn dangos y cefnogaeth, pan mae'n bwysig i hwnna i chi ar y camp?
Mae'r cefnogaeth wastad yn gret. Gemau fwyaf season yn erbyn y gweilch gytre fan hyn, so gobeithio gallwn ni gael lot o cefnogwyr yma tu ôl ni, achos mae fe'n rili yn neud lot o gwyniaeth i ni, so gobeithio byddwn ni'n cael perfformiad da iddyn nhw.
Sy'n sbel os ych chi golli yn Abertawe, faint mae gêm yn ysgogi chi ar gyfer byd os deffo?
Dysgu ni lot ar ôl gêm na, fi'n mwyn collan i'r gêm, ond yn edrych nôl dros y gêm, wnaethon ni miso lot o opportunities, le dylen ni wedi bod lot yn well, a fi'n credu o'n i bach yn soft yn defence, a gyda nhw ambell i gais bach rhy rwydd, so credu os i ni gallu cymryd in opportunities ni wrthos yma, bod i'n defence ni bach yn well, gobeithio bydd y gêm bach yn wyniaeth, a gobeithio gallwn ni dymanta fuddugoliaeth.
A ti'n ôl, asio ti'n paratoi ar y gêm yma, achos mae'n Nadolig, bydd yn neis i gael ei un diwrnod i angofio am y rygbi, a i fwynhau, ti'n cael gyfle i fwynhau i byd yn Nadolig?
Ydyn, byddwn ni'n ymarfer nawr, mae ymarfer lan nes Christmas Eve fi creu, so gafon ni obviously Christmas Day off i ymlacio, a unwaith Daith Boxing Day wedyn, gobeithio byddwn ni'n barod i fynd.